will, trust my heart. Let me tell you how the odds gonna stack up. Yeah, I go hard, I go smart. How's I working out for y'all in the back, huh? I've seen that frustration, been crossed and lost and told no, and I've come back unshaken, let down and lived and let go. So you can let it be known, I don't hold back, I hold my own. I can't be mapped, I can't be cloned. I can't see flat, it ain't my tone. I can't fall back, I came too far. Hold myself up and love my scars. Let the bells ring wherever they are, 'cause I was there saying, and these promises broken deep below. Each word gets lost in the echo. So one last lie I can see through. This time I finally let you go. No, you can tell them all now. I don't back up, I don't back down. I don't fold up and I don't bow. I don't roll over, don't know how. I don't care where the enemies are. Can't be stopped, all I know go hard. Won't forget how I got this far. But every time saying, and these promises broken deep below. Each word gets lost in the echo. So one last lie I can see through. This time I finally let you go. I had nothing to say, and I'd get lost in the nothingness inside of me. I was confused, and I let it all out to find that I'm not the only person with these things in mind. But all the vacancy the words revealed is the only real thing that I've got left to feel. Just stuck, hollow and alone, and the fault is my own, and the fault is my own. I wanna heal, I wanna feel what I thought was never real. I wanna let go of the pain I felt so long. Erase all the pains and let's go. I wanna heal, I wanna feel like I'm close to something.